I can see a lot of question marks and anxiety, especially people at the back. Oh no, not a speech. Already we have spent so much time. Maybe few of them are sleeping. It's dark, I can't see. I will not take much of your time, and after having heard a lot of good things from all the good people here, I would also like to say few good things of my own. Maybe not very different from what they have said already, but something that I have learned myself and I believe in. Of course, I also used to be there sometime, and I loved it, being in the shade, in the shadows, doing my own thing. But over the ages, it has helped me to observe all the people ahead of me, what they're doing, how they're doing, and what is it different that they're doing from what I do. And yes, and that has helped me come forward now, and hopefully now maybe I'm in the third or the fourth row after all these years. Okay, now coming back to my speech. Respected guests, faculty of ISBR, boys and girls, it's an honor to be here today to address the new PGDM batch, and I believe ISBR is now in its 23rd year, 6 years in this campus, I believe. It's been doing a great job. It has grown into a premium organization. It has nurtured many students in the last 6 years at Electronic City. And as they say, they are enabling many students become effective leaders in their own spheres of study today. Well, I believe that the most popular saying is leaders are born. I believe leadership can be taught, maybe taught, but definitely can be learned. Learning is a continuous process. As all these people were speaking, I saw Doctor here making a lot of notes, and
your point too.
Yes. That's very nice. I mean, at his age, to be a sport and to learn is a great thing. We all learn every day, and unless we learn, we don't grow. The personality in us doesn't grow if we don't learn. Something in us dies, and we stop growing, Not age-wise, of course. I have a lot of gray hair, and I don't have also. But it helps to learn, and this is where you all are now. I'm sure you've done your UG, and now you're getting into a higher education, and learning is very important. Unless we learn from our own mistakes, we all do mistakes. We all do mistakes, and we need to learn from our own mistakes. But the most important point is we don't need to do all the mistakes. We don't have an entire lifetime to do all the mistakes that we can. We can learn from the others' mistakes as well, and grow as a person, as a personality. The most important point that I wanted to make today is to have insight into what you're doing right now, and to have foresight to what you want to do in future. What I believe in, what has helped me in the last 20 years of my career is I believe in the principle of 4 Ds, which is discipline. Discipline is the ability to control and steer oneself to be on the right path. Dedication is the commitment to a purpose. In your case, probably it's education as of now. Determination is the resolve to not to give up even when faced with adversity. Devotion is the unflinching faith in our capabilities to achieve our goal. This is what has helped me in my career as of now, and even in my personal life. And it is something that has helped me in my tough times and good times. As Krishna said in the Bhagavad Gita, Karmanyeva adhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana ma karma phala heturbhur ma tasangostva karmane. Which roughly translates into, we have the responsibility to perform without seeking the result, because the results are not in our hands. But the result cannot be the motive to perform or not to perform. Inaction is what they call it. While it's necessary to work hard, it's also important to play harder. I see you have a beautiful campus here, and as part of being in LCR, I've seen a lot of activities that ISBR is into. I think you must actively participate into your co-curricular activities as well. And because it's necessary to de-stress, because stress is a true killer, and all of us are already stressed, so we can't have any more stresses. I'm glad that LCI is of help to ISBR, and we've also helped ISBR students take up projects and things like that. LCR, as I have seen, is an organization that does and not just speaks. I've been in CII, I've been in GMCI, or it's now BCIC, and I've been in IMTMA and various other organizations. They talk, and they don't, at least here in Electronic City, LCI as an organization, we've done the most important thing that we have done, other than maintaining the estate. Most of the people who work inside Electronic City, or probably a lakh more people, don't even know what LCI does. Most of them think it's a municipality. We take care of water supply and sanitation. But we do a lot more things, especially traffic management, and we had pushed the government to get the elevated highway that you see now. We are pushing the government to get a metro down to Electronic City. Of course, there's a lot of procedural wrangles. The DPR, I believe, is ready, and hopefully before I retire, it will come to Electronic City. And of course, we take care of all we are the interface. We are the face for all the corporates and every single person who comes into Electronic City. And as part of me working in FANUC India, it's like we had actually sacrificed land for the elevated road flyover to land into Electronic City. So it's like my right hand is cutting my left hand. So LCI has asked FANUC to give away almost half an acre of land. So that's where the CIR comes, ISR comes, sorry. ISR and CSR comes into picture. And I'm glad to see there's a lot of what should I say, equality. I should not say gender equality, because it's I should say equal opportunities. And if someone is talking about the glass ceiling and all that, I say it's all BS, because at least as far as where I am right now, I work for a company whose CEO is a lady, and the organization that I am associated with, the CEO is a lady, the president is a lady, and I am a minority in my home house. I have 3 beautiful women in my home, and I am the only one male. So I think we should appreciate it, and I'm told that it's by chance, and it's a merit actually, and it's not by design. And I'm glad to see that, and I congratulate ISBR in this aspect. And finally, one last thing I'd like to tell is treat every single person that you see, including your own colleagues, every person with respect. And respecting elders, especially your parents, is most very important, because we are here because of them, because of their sacrifices, and they have been our enablers, and that is how you have been here. Thank you so much, and congratulations to all of you. Good luck, and thank you.